Welcome everyone.
Thank you.
How is everything?
Everything is great.
Is
How about
your
you?
computer ready?
Yeah, it's ready now.
Okay, great. Everything is fine. Someone playing games? Who is playing game?
Not me.
Okay.
Maybe the
Mr.
little guy,
Mr. Rahman is playing game, right?
Mr. Rahman. Yeah, little guy.
All right. Let's start our class.
কিসের সাউন্ড এটা?
Yes, someone is playing game. I
এবার
can hear
এবার
the
শুনতে
sound
পাই।
of bombing.
Yeah, now is okay.
Now it is okay. Okay. All right.
All right.
Now
Hmm.
we already discussed about object-oriented programming
Mm-hmm.
and also inheritance.
Mm-hmm.
Now, inheritance concept is very, very important. Okay.
আমার কথা কি শোনা যায়? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay,
we
that's
can
good
hear you.
because I'm using the headphone. This is the first time I'm using headphone with my computer, so I was confused that it's working or not. Okay, thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, now go ahead.
Now, today we are going to discuss about encapsulation.
Encapsulation.
Encapsulation is also very important to hide your data, to
I got it.
secure your
Ah,
data.
yes, I got that. Have you encapsulated data? That means have you secured your data or the hide your data? I got it now.
Yes.
Encapsulation. Yes.
Encapsulation, here is encapsulation.
Yeah,
Okay.
encapsulate. Yeah,
Now
very important.
we can in programming we can also hard code it in Python. Let me show you how we can do hard coding. The class name is student, okay, and def space underscore underscore. What is it? This is constructor in Python, right?
Mhm.
This is constructor. At the same time, this is inbuilt function. Inbuilt function. Init function is inbuilt function. Now, whenever we start init function, it comes with self instance, and self is the instance of a class. Okay. Now, I'm not taking any more parameter. Self dot okay name is Anisur Rahman. Okay. Then Anis Rahman has his ID. and ID is 101. Okay,
Is the okay?
I'm writing code differently. Actually, we call it hard coding. I'm not saying here self name ID. Okay, I'm not passing any parameter other than self instance. There is direct instance of the class student. Okay, so we call it hard coding. Okay, directly we are instantiating and
Can you hear me? Okay.
defining name is equal to Anishraman and ID is 101. Now let us create an object of the student. I say S1 equal to students, and now I can print
Okay.
S1 to name, and let's run it. Python Anish Raman.
I don't understand this.
You don't need to understand it.
Okay. Okay.
Then I just say S1 ID equal to,
Nice Raman ID. Okay.
instead of passing the parameters here, name and ID,
Hmm.
okay, I
Okay.
am
Now is this work?
hard coding directly.
Hmm.
You see,
Can you run the program right? Can I see the output? Now what is coming?
it will
Ah,
not.
I
It
got
will
it.
not.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, we hard coded. You see,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
directly we are telling name is Anishuraman,
Mm-hmm.
ID is 101.
Yeah.
This is called hard coding.
Okay.
Now, better coding is name, ID, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah. We are habituated that one. The
And we can say
name is
name
name.
is
Yeah, I got
name,
it. Yeah. And the ID is
ID is ID. We are
ID.
habituated to it.
Yeah.
This is better programming.
Yeah.
Okay?
And then we can declare the name is Anisur like a pin
Right.
over there.
No, no. I'm talking about hard coding.
Okay.
Hard coding
Okay.
means directly we are assigning to the name variable. Name is Anisur Raman and ID is 101. Okay,
Hmm.
clear?
Mhm.
Okay, now how we can hide data? Encapsulation means keeping data inside something so that the data cannot be vulnerable to everyone. Okay, so data access will be limited to other class or some other users. How we can do it? Just you can say underscore underscore. That means it is protected.
Oh.
Protected underscore underscore. Now let's try. You see, now you cannot access the data.
Ah,
It's saying student instance has no attribute name. Student instance has no attribute name. No attribute name. You cannot access it because we protect it with just two underscore 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 underscore.
okay. I have a question. So how can understand this data, this function, this program is okay? So because I cannot see the result. If I protect this one, I cannot see the result.
You see, you
You see,
cannot
I can see the result.
access it, means it is protected.
Okay.
It's protected. You
But
cannot
how can
access
how
it.
can I know is this the okay? The function is okay. There is no error.
Come on, it's very simple. Leave it and
Hmm.
run it. Now it is running. You see, so
Hmm.
code is running.
Okay.
No
You
problem.
just protect it with underscore underscore.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now before protect it, I have to check that is this running or not. If run, then after then I have to protect it.
Listen,
Mhm.
when you drive,
Hmm.
when you put into the first gear, you know your car will run. This is
Mhm.
tested. This is
Okay.
tested.
Okay.
When you hard code the program, you know it will run.
Okay.
You don't need to test it again. This is tested.
Okay.
Okay? The
Okay.
program is tested by Python. Still, if you want to become sure, just run it.
Mhm.
Okay? Just run it.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes,
Okay.
clear.
Now, we know how to protect data. We know how to hide it, right?
Hmm. Right.
Now, how we can access it? We cannot access just directly. Let's try to create a function. How we create function? A def keyword will come. Then say for example, it is display function. And definitely self instance
Parameter.
will be there in the parameter. And you say print self dot underscore underscore name. Okay, same way you can say self underscore underscore
ID.
id. Okay, now run it. You cannot access it still because data is protected. Now if you say s1 display, let's try it. We cannot. Let's comment it. You see, now you can access it. So how you can access your data? you cannot access your data just with print statement, but you can access it creating a function. Okay, function, and inside the function you can say print self dot underscore underscore name. Self dot underscore underscore name means you can print it only creating function and using print statement. We call it statement. It is also method, it is also function. You can execute it
Mm.
creating function.
Mm.
Clear? This is called data hiding. Actually, you don't need to be expert in data hiding, because if you just understand the concepts and write this code couple of times, you can understand. Whenever
Mm.
you see underscore underscore, you can understand this is data
This
hiding.
is the data hiding. Yeah.
You're protecting data. Okay. And I think until you become senior developer
Mm.
working 3 4 years, you will not need it. Okay.
Mm.
Only senior developers will hide the data. They will be working on it. We will be coding and they will refine it. They will improvise it. Okay.
Mm.
But it is good to know the concept. All right.
Right.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes, I already did.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, see?
Share.
See? See?
Oh, you type it. Okay. No,
Mm,
no. Type on your computer.
okay.
Okay, I'm giving you 15 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.